Today we are going to start a new chapter, factors and multiples, that is chapter number 6. I have taken the first topic, factors, its properties and common factors. Let us come to know first what is a factor. We know that if we multiply, suppose 3 and 4, we get 12. This is the multiplication fact. Now the division fact of this multiplication fact, we can write that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, and also 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. So from this multiplication fact, it follows that 3 can divide 12 and 4 can divide 12. So here 3 and 4 both are factors. The result that we obtain, that means the quotient after complete dividing the number by another number, is a factor. Also the divisor that can divide the number exactly is also a factor. So the factor is a number which can divide a given number exactly. Now how can we find all the factors of a number? Suppose we have to find all the factors of 12. Suppose I am taking that 12. We have to find all the numbers that can divide 12. Okay. So we will start from initial number 1. 1 can divide 12 and the result, that is the quotient, we get 12. Also 12 is divisible by 2, result is 6. 12 is divisible by 3, result is 4. Also 12 is divisible by 4, result is 3. See it here, when we are dividing it by 3 we get the result 4, and if we divide the number by 4 we get the result 3. So we will stop here. What are the factors? These all numbers with these numbers all are factors of 12. So we can write the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 repeating here, 6 and 12. So this is the complete list of factors of 12. Let us find another factors of a number. Suppose the number is 35. We have to find all the factors. We have to find all the factors of 35. So let us first divide 35 by 1. Divisible by 1 we get 35. If we divide 35 by 2, it is not possible. 3 cannot divide 35. 4 also cannot divide 35. 5 can divide 35. If we divide 35 by 5, 5 7 is 35. Okay. Also 35, next number 6 cannot divide 35, but 7 can divide. If we divide it by 7 we get the result 5. So when we dividing it by 5 we get 7. If we divide it by 7 we get 5. So we have to stop here. Now write all the factors. Factors of 35 are, what are the factor? 1, 35, 5, 7, 7, 5. That means 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are the complete list of factors of 35. Let us take another example. suppose I am taking 20. Okay, let us take another, suppose 36. We have to find all the factors of 36. So in that case 36 is divisible by 1, we get 36. 36 is divisible by 2, we get 18. 36 is divisible by 3, we get 12. If we divide 36 by 4, also divisible, 9. Next number, 5 cannot divide 36, 6 can divide. 36 divided 6 equal to 6. We will stop here, because whenever we are dividing a number, the divisor and quotient same. So stop here. Now what are the factors? Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6 is repeating, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay. So in this way we can find all the factors of a given number. Now there are some properties of factors. Here are the properties. Property number 1. 1 is the factor of every whole number. 1 is the factor of every whole number. You can check from the previous examples that I given that whenever we are finding here the factors of 12, 1 is a factor. Okay. Also in 35, 1 is a factor. In case of 36, 1 is also factor. So in this way you will get that 1 is the factor for every whole number. So 1 is a factor of every whole number. Okay, because 1 can divide any number. Now number 2 property. Every number is a factor of itself. Why? Suppose I am taking 19. So 19 exactly is divisible by 19, result is 1. If we take suppose 50, so 50 is divisible by 50, result is 1. In this way any number is divisible by itself. So every number is a factor of itself. So 19 is a factor of 19, also 50 is a factor of 50. Property number 3. Every number is a factor of 0, because 0 is divisible by any number. If we divide 0 by 1, we get 1. So 1 is 0. So 1 is a factor of 0. If we divide 0 by suppose 20, so result is 20. So 20 is also a factor of 0. So every number is a factor of 0, but not 0. 0 cannot divide 0, except 0, other numbers can divide 0. So every number is a factor of 0. Coming to property number 4, 1 is the smallest factor of a number. If we find the factors of any number, let us take factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? These are 1 can divide 10, 2, 5 and 10. So among this factor 1 is the least. So always 1 will be the smallest factor of any number. Now property number 5. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. See from the previous example, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Which is the greatest one among this? 10 is the greatest. Okay. So the number that we have taken 10 is the greatest factor of 10. So, similarly, greatest factor of any number is the number itself. Now, property number 6, 1 has only one factor, other numbers have at least 2 factors. What is the meaning? Suppose I want to find the factors of 1, factor of 1. Only 1 can divide 1. So, the only factor of 1 is 1. Now, suppose I am taking the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 can divide 2 and 2 also can divide 2. No other number can divide. So, 2 has 2 factors. Now, I am taking the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 can divide 6, 2 can divide 6, 3 can divide 6 and 6 can divide 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 6, these are the factors of 6. So, see that the factor of 1 is only 1. So, 1 has only one factor, 2 has 2 factors, similarly 3 has also 2 factor, but most of the numbers have more than 2 or 2 factors. So, only 1 has one factor, other number has at least 2 factors, that means 2 factors must be there and maybe there are more than 2 factors. So, this was the last property. Now, coming to next one, which is common factors. What is a common factors? Common factors of 2 numbers. Suppose we have to find the common factors of 4 and 6. Okay, we have to find the common factors of 4 and 6. So, first we will find, for answer part, find the factors of 4 first. So, 4 is divisible by 1, result is 4. 4 is divisible by 2, result is 2. So, we have to stop here. Therefore, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Let us find the factors of 6 at the side. 6 is divisible by 1, result is 6. 6 is divisible by 2, result is 3. If we divide 6 by 3, the result is 2. So, repeating here, stop. So, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now, see what are the common from here. Common means what are the matching from these two list of factors. 1 is matching from here and 2 is matching from both. So, 1 or 2 are the common factors. Therefore, the common factors of 4 and 6 are, what are the common? 1 is a common and 2 is a common. So, in this way we can find the common factors. Let us give another example. Suppose we have to find common factors of 60 and 50. So, first we will find the factors of 60 and factors of 50. So, let us find the number which can divide 60. 1 can divide, result is 60. 60 is divisible by 2, result is 30. 60 is divisible by 3 also. If we divide it by 3, we get 20. 60 is divisible by 4 also, result is 15. 60 is divisible by 5, 5 12 just 16, 60. 60 divisible by 6, result is 10. Next number 7 cannot divide 60. 8, can 8 divide 60? No, in the table of 8 60 does not come. 9 cannot divide 60. Next is 10. 60 is divisible by 10 and the result is 6. We will stop here. See the result. If we divide 6 we get 10. If we divide 10 we get 6. So stop here. Okay. Let us find in this same way the factors of 50. It is divisible by 1. So result is 50. If we divide 50 by 2, it is 25. 50 is divisible. Next number 3 cannot divide, 4 cannot divide, 5 can divide. 10. After 5, 10 is the next number which can divide 50. 6, 7, 8 and 9 cannot divide 50. Next number is 10. 50 divided 10 equal to 5. Result is matching here. If we divide 50 by 5 we get 10. When we are dividing 50 by 10 get 5. So stop here. Now let us make the list of factors. The factors of 60 are, what are the factors? Let us write down. These are the all factors. 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Then 6, 10 repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Next are after 10, 12. 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So these are the complete list of factors of 60. Now the factors of 50. Factors of 50 are, the factors of 50. What are the factors? These are all factors and these are all factors. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 10 repeating here. 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10, then 25, then 50. 25 and then 50. Okay. Now we will find what are the matching factors from both. What are the common? 1 is a common, 2 is a common factor. Next 3, 4 is not here, 5 is the common factor. Okay. Next is 10 is a common factor. After 10 there is nothing common. So these are the common factors. Let us write therefore the common factors of 50 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. So these are the common factors. So in this way we can find the common factors. So students, today we have discussed about factors. What is factor? Properties of factor and how can we find the common factors. So this was my first topic. In next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.